In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a blog tags page in Wix. It is a straightforward process, and we will dive right into it. Our first stop is going to be your site's dashboard. You can easily access your dashboard by logging into your Wix account and selecting your site. Once you're on your website's dashboard, we need a small maneuver to the left-hand side of the dashboard. Over here, you will find a section titled Blog. Clicking on this will lead you to manage and access various elements of your blog. I want you to look for the Tags option inside the blog section. Selecting Tags will direct you to a new page where all the tag management happens. This is precisely where we create, add, or delete tags. For now, our goal is to create a new tag. To do this, locate and click on +Create Tag. This action prompts you to start a new tag. You are halfway there. Now it's time to give your tag a specific identity. Type a suitable name into the field that appears. The name can be anything that categorizes or represents the linked content. By having a descriptive tag name, it makes it easier for readers to find content related to the same topic on your blog. At this stage, if you want, you can optionally enhance your tag's visibility on search engines. To do this, head over to the SEO settings for the tag. Feel free to edit and optimize as necessary. Once done, finalize your setup by clicking Save. So, now that we have a tag, let's link it to a blog post. Return to your blog dashboard. Look for Manage Posts. This section displays a list of your existing blog posts. Scroll through and select the post to which you want to add the tag. Clicking on it opens up more options. Within these settings, we need to locate the Tags or Settings section. Depending on your layout, it could be on the right-hand side or within a settings menu. Once in there, you'll see a field to type your tag name. Input the name of the tag you just created and either press Enter or select it from the list of existing tags. Now, to make sure your tag gets published with your post, click on the Publish button. This action saves all the changes. All right, you've just mastered how to create a blog tags page and attaching tags to a post in Wix. Keep repeating this process for all your future posts for easy navigation and enhanced searchability for readers.